What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you all are new here, welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see, we got some beautiful hair, you all. I will be working with ULAHAIR in today's video. ULAHAIR is a brand that specializes in providing a wide range of high quality wigs and hair extensions. So they have hair bundles, lace closures, and frontals, and trendy wigs. They have anything from straight body wave, deep wave, loose wave, Italian curl, kinky curly, anything you could think of, they have it. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out their Burmese curly 3-in-1 half wig. They do supply you with a wig cap, a comb, you do get the wig band, and then also I was surprised about the bonnet. The bonnet is really nice, it's big, and it comes with the you can wrap it around and tie it so it'll be secure during the night. So I was really impressed by that. But y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited to share this wig with you all, so let's get into it. So I received the hair. It came packaged very well in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, and this hair is 18 inches. Right off the back you can see this natural curl pattern, deep wave texture. It's really nice and soft and thick, you guys. This is the softest hair I have ever touch. Right here I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. The hairline is very important right here. It's flat, so you don't have to worry about it being bulky when you're wearing your leave out or wearing a headband. You do get that major comb that's in the middle, and then you get the two combs on the side. And you also get adjustable straps so you can adjust the wig to your liking. And instead of the comb at the back, you will get a drawstring that you can pull to make the wig tighter. So y'all, the curl pattern is amazing. Like I said, it's naturally curly, it's soft, it holds a curl very well, and I haven't experienced any shedding. So here's the wig, you guys. This hair is really soft, and I'm so excited to just play with it. So my hair is in a ponytail at the moment. Head and pin this up, and we're gonna see what it looks like as a headband wig. If you want your leave out to blend in with this, I recommend to do some braids overnight, blend in with the hair itself. That'll work out, and just do your baby hairs. But girl, or you can even kind of curl it and it'll blend right in. But we're gonna go ahead and try this on. When I wear my half wigs, I typically put a braid going across so I can stick the comb in there, and so that provides security. Your wig is not going anywhere. So I recommend to, when you're wearing a half wig, if you're gonna do leave out, behind your leave out, put a braid, stick that in there. I'm telling you, it's not going anywhere. I'm just gonna take it, wrap it around, put it in a little bun like so, stick my combs in. You have two combs on the side. You want to make sure you stick that in. Make sure it's comfortable. I like when the extra combs are on the side because it helps with the wig staying put. Okay. Oh, it's already looking good. It's already looking good. Take the string in the back, and I'm going to pull it. You can also do that hairstyle where the 90s hairstyle with the braids in the front and then put the half wig on in the back. Okay, this is cute. Girl, do you see this? This is what the wig looks like. I haven't finger combed it or anything yet. Oh my god, this hair is so soft, you guys. And this is the right amount of fullness. I don't need it to be too big. Right here, so that is long enough for me, honey. And I like it, just automatically just kind of flipped over. OMG. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoot it back a little bit. And I'm gonna add a headband. Going to finger fluff it just a little bit. I don't want it to be too big, but this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love this. This is so pretty. I also feel like you could play around with this like a messy bun, ponytail. What I like about it as well, this part right here is flat. It's not bulky, so it looks very natural. Just bringing more over to the side. Got your girl right. I will be wearing this all the time. Do you understand me? Okay, all the time. I will definitely keep you guys updated on how this hair holds up, but make sure you guys go ahead and check out ULAHAIR. They have a wide range of high quality wigs on their website, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. They have hair bundles, they have closures and frontals, and they also have wigs, honey. Okay, I like this. This is giving. This is really giving. And look how the curls are just, I just never had nothing like this before. I think it looks good with the headband. You can do all kind of different headbands as well. So do like a half up, half down situation with this as well, which is, oh my god, it's super cute like that as well. I think that is so cute. That is really, really cute. Fluffier is getting the better, and it looks so natural, and it looks like it's coming from my scalp, and I just absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave all the details about this wig and ULAHAIR in the description box. I do have a discount code if you guys are interested in this unit. You can get $15 off on your purchase. I will have the discount code floating around on the screen and in the description box. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out ULAHAIR, you guys. This hair is awesome. Like, it's super cute. I feel super girly. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out their website. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my channel if you guys like what you see. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.